You were telling me, okay, well, anyway, let's see. So today is March 16th, and you were telling me there's still 2 more convoys coming on its way to the Peoples Convoy in Hagerstown, Maryland at the Speedway off Route 40. Where are these 2 other convoys coming from?
Well, at this moment, we don't know exactly, but they are on the way out of California and I believe Oklahoma. And the same thing, to stop over and
California and
make the
Oklahoma.
same message as what we are bringing here. But it is not only coming from there, it is coming from the entire country. We have people here from New York to the southern parts of California up to Washington and back to Florida. Everybody is all welcome. The more the better, the happier, because this is what it's about. It's not about anything. Without these truckers, without the people that are here making the food, without the people that are rolling and organizing all of this, without them, you ain't got no world to live in. There we go.
Well, like the man said, more people are coming back to the Freedom Convoy in Hagerstown, Maryland at the Speedway. It looks like these truckers are coming back from the DC route that they went around the expressway today. Until next time, we got more coming your way with the People's Convoy here in Hagerstown at the Speedway. Thanks for watching.